How's it going, everybody? Matt Bourie from the American Casino Guidebook with my dad, Steve, if I can point at him correctly. We are at the Seminole Casino in Coconut Creek in South Florida once again, and we're going to be playing some Dragon Link, but we're doing something a little different today. What we're going to do is we're going to play it $5 a spin on 3 different denominations. First, we're going to do penny, where $5 a spin, there's 50 lines. Then we're going to do dimes, where $5 a spin, there's only 25 pay lines. And then we're going to go up to dollar, where there's $5 a spin and there's only 5 pay lines. And we're going to see how each game works with because the volatility is going to change drastically from jumping from 50 pay lines, cutting it in half to 25, and then cutting that into a fifth of that for 5 pay lines. So let's see what happens.
And then we're going to time it. So we only play 3 minutes on each particular denomination. So let's see what happens.
All right, so we're starting here on penny. As you can see, the mini's 10 bucks, the minor's 50 bucks, and we're gonna go for a max bet of $5 per spin here.
And I got my phone timing this, so we're gonna do this for 3 minutes. So each denomination has the same chance. Can we turn his sound up a bit?
Yep.
I'll push this button. Thank you.
My dad loves the creepy Buddha laugh.
I always think it's Harvey Weinstein.
Oh, that would have been a good one.
Wow, that would have been
3 minis there. Sorry. Oh, that would have been, that's a $100 symbol.
Yeah, we just needed 4 more to go with it.
So yeah, so if you're not familiar with Dragon Link, which everybody loves, you need 6 of those fireballs right there to get into the bonus round. Or 3 of a different symbol, which I think is a red flag on this one. It's either a red flag or a gold pot. Oh, it's the pot. It's that one. It's the machine next to us that it's the gold. Yes, $17. There we go. 2 more. Oh. And our friend Josh O'Connell always says that he says his hot take is the mini and the minor are not as fun as everybody makes them out to be, and he has a valid point because the mini is 10 bucks, and we just had a $25 symbol there. There it is. But 4 minis I'll take.
4 minis. You just won $50 there, man. Okay.
So and then you get 3 spins, and then it resets to 3. Oh, look, that symbol alone is worth more than the minis.
$75.
So you get 3 spins, and then if you get another one, it resets to 3 spins again. So as long as you keep getting fireballs, it resets to 3 spins again. Ooh, $100 symbol. And look, that's worth double the minor. Then of course, if we fill all 15 in, we're gonna win that grand jackpot up there for $10,000, which I'm sure is gonna happen.
2 more. Fill it in. Last shot here. I believe it's 195. My math is right. Push that button. We only have another 30 seconds to play this.
There is no speeding it up.
I guess not. Hey, I was right. 195. That's nice, though.
There we go. All right.
Another 20 seconds to play this.
I'm gonna rapid fire it to catch $250 symbol there.
Wow.
Another one.
Another bonus round. All right. I'm shutting off the timer because this is whatever we win here.
And look, with $50 symbol is already better than the $15 symbol. Both of those are worth better than the minis.
105. I believe we're at 105.
So you got 2 spins left. Now it resets to 3 because you got another one of those. Resets to 3 minor. That's a $50 symbol.
165.
Let's get up there so we can see all of this here.
Fill them all in with the grand.
You don't need to see that bottom line anymore because it's filled in completely. Reset back to 3. There we go. 2 spins left. Come on, reset it again. Reset it. Last spin. Let's get a reset here.
All right, I believe it's $175.
Well, Dad, it's going to be pretty hard to beat this one.
I think so, but you never know. With higher denominations, you get higher payouts. So there it is, 175.
All right, and then so we were up 290 bucks.
All right, so let's
291
see what happens on dimes now.
All right, so now we've jumped up to 10 cent here, and as you can see up here, the mini is, everything's gone up by 10. The mini's now 100 instead of 10, and the miner's 500 instead of 50. So let's do $50 a spin. Now we're down to 25 pay lines, remember, so the base game is going to be a lot more volatile. Because you have half as many pay lines here.
You had the I was gonna say you had the wild card. Oh, so that doesn't go up here, huh? Fine.
Yeah, the really zigzaggy ones are gone. Those are most of the pay lines that have dropped out.
You lost money on that one. Only paid $3.
And you still need 6 of those fireballs to get into the bonus. I believe that bell is the highest paying symbol. One more pot. Oh no, 2 out of 3.
And we got lucky last time because we got into the bonus round twice.
Yep. Oh, 2 out of 3 pots again. We get in a bonus round. The higher the denomination goes, it's really with them cutting the pay lines, it's a lot harder to win in the base game. But when you get into that bonus round, you generally win a lot more. And the other thing is that generally the higher the denomination you go, the higher the payback is on that game. So that's another reason why it could be better to go from.
Got some flowers there. Should be good. Push that button.
To go from pennies up to 10 cent, and we're still bet the same amount. We're not max betting. We're only betting 2x here, but
3 more.
2 more. Come on. But theoretically, the payback should be better on this machine. But it's going to be more volatile because of the less pay lines.
All right, minute and a half.
I'm speeding it up a bit here. All right. Well, hopefully we can get at least one bonus round out of this. We got so many bonus rounds before.
2.
So.
Here, let me push that button.
All right, Dad's going. Oh, you don't get to
touched
press the button.
As soon as I touched the button.
Oh, of course.
You got the bonus.
All right, let's see if we can speed this up.
I wonder if we should stop the timer when we get to the bonus round.
Yeah, I would stop it. All right, change here. Change up here.
Oh, you got 5 flowers there.
It's 2 a retrigger or 3's a retrigger? 3's a retrigger. So we're stopping the timer now in the bonus rounds.
This doesn't seem to be an especially good.
There it is. What was that, Dad?
That's good.
What was that, Dad?
Wouldn't the gold coins be the best?
I think the bell's the best. 200 bucks. That was a $160 spin right there. 2 more. Oh. We got all those bonuses and got blocked by those. All right, start your timer again.
Okay, here we go. Another minute. You gotta beat 791.
Alrighty. It's gonna be hard to do unless we get another bonus round here.
Oh, let me take over there.
All right, yeah, you wanted to press the button. You hit the button, Dad. All right, one more. No. Then we should be right around 3 minutes here, right?
240.
Come on. Get another bonus round here.
10 seconds.
And now the dollar, I have a feeling, is going to be very...
Last spin. Okay, that's it.
All right, so that's it for dimes. Now we're going to go up to dollars and go from 25 lines down to 5 lines. It's about to get real streaky. So here we are. We're now up to dollar, and it's down to 5 lines here, and we're going to be betting the same 5 credits per or $5 per spin here, which on this happens to also be 5 credits. So let's see how we do. This one's going to be very streaky. I think if we don't get it. Oh, bonus round.
All right, stopping the clock.
All right. Right.
Now, what's best in the bonus round here?
Getting the fireballs. With how low the... Oh, there we go. That should be a good one. Because I think the bells are the highest paying symbol.
Are they? Oh, let's see. We started at 10. That was only a...
There's only 5 pay lines is the issue. You got to get those fireballs pretty much. At this format, you're just playing for the fireballs. There we go. Re-trigger.
Very nice. You get another 6 cans?
No, I think it's like 2 or 3. 3. 52, and we had a winner there, so.
One more. Oh, we got another re-trigger.
4. We needed 6. There's a winner.
Got the bell.
From 56, what are we going
So it goes
to?
up that way.
Yeah. I think that's pretty much.
It's only $30.
Yeah. Well, because I think the pay lines, it's 3 across, and I think it's 1 V up that way, and then the other V down this way. All right, feature completed. Start that timer again.
Hold on. Okay, go for it.
But then, as you can see, the mini bonus is up to $250 now, and miner's $12.50. So, getting the fireballs is what we're playing for with this few pay lines. But as you can see, we're minimum betting here, so those fireball amounts are not worth a huge amount. I think they're actually worth less in this than they were in the penny max bet. I don't think I'm a fan of this format so far. I think the dimes is a happy medium. This is too crazy with only 5 pay lines.
Well, let's see. You got another little less than 2 minutes.
All right, you want to take over?
Sure. Let me push that button. I'm sure I can turn it all around. There you go. There's the winner. Well, it's actually a $3 loser, but it looked good for a second there. Hey, broke even. Look at that. Working my way up. If you could get 6 of the fireballs, be happy.
That's really what you're playing for. I think you're just. That's all you want at because 5 lines is crazy. One more. Oh, wrong symbol.
All right, got a little over 2 minutes left. I'm sorry, 1 minute left.
We're 2 minutes in, is what he meant to say. I'm going fireball or rapid fire.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
You were playing too slow for my taste. I'm trying to speed it up, make it fair.
We get blocked here with this from the wilds.
Yeah, well, the issue is there's only 5 pay lines. Is the main blocker.
All right, we haven't been lucky in this. We've got another 30 seconds here.
But as I said, you know, you're just with 5 pay lines. You ain't gonna win much unless you get that bonus round where the pay lines don't matter.
Man. Get it.
We done yet?
10 seconds. Okay, your 3 minutes is up.
All right, so that does it for our test here. We actually did the worst on dollar. We ended up with 407 on dollars. So we lost $97 there. We won $2 on dimes, but on pennies we won over 200.
291.50.
So
for whatever it's worth, we tried 3 different denominations, and penny turned out to be the best for us. Could have been luck, or there could have been more to it. Who knows, man? What do you think?
I don't know. I think it's just the bonus rounds are just worth so much more when you're max betting. So that going up a denomination, going down, while you might be getting a higher payback, maybe, it's not as fun.
Okay, sounds good to me.
All right, so take it easy, everybody.
Bye-bye.